Hey everyone, it's Angela with Angela's Designs. I'm coming to you with another DIY craft project. Okay, we are all privy to all of those fancy little signs that we see that say "Let it snow," and all this stuff. And I'm like, I'm not paying those astronomical prices for a sign that I can make at home using various pieces of stuff I've collected over the years, putting some paint on it, using my silhouette to slap on a beautiful design and go from there. So, this one right here, this is a canvas I got at a yard sale, believe it or not. Telling you how big this thing is another question. Well, it's at least an 18 by 20, I'm assuming. Now, we can use this style. Then I have a heavy piece of wood here that my husband scrapped and everything, which is about an inch thick. You've got this type. Then I have also got like various different sizes. Even though this says wall shelf, you can still make it into whatever you're wanting to do. You can use the wood part. And I got I hit my camera. I got these at, I think, Five Below. But as you see here, it's just a piece of wood. And you can easily cover these up with paint or a little bit of, a little bit of putty or whatever. If just make a cute little sign, adorable. And then you've got, these is a pack of Arteza 11 by 14s. You can make several signs with these. And I have this broken frame here. And as you see, look how cute. Look, it fits perfection. So, yeah, this is a broken frame I had. So I was like, I don't want to throw it away. So, possibly going to be making a sign with it as well. But the main focus is like, what's your aesthetic? Are you wanting reds and whites and greens? Are you wanting the farmhouse black and white, which is what I love? And so what I'm going to do is, through this process, is I'm going to show you different signs that I make so they can go on my mantle and in my bathroom if I choose to do that. And then I'll show you how I style them. Everything I'm teaching y'all in this series, I will show you completely how I styled everything at the very end, so that y'all can gather inspiration from there. It's nothing like complicated or anything. It's just, picking and choosing what you want to decorate with. So, and do not feel like you have to just paint. I mean, you can get like, I got me some dollar ornaments coming in today at Joann's, and I got these at Walmart, and I'm like, hello, perfect for that farmhouse look you're looking for. Decoupage that stuff up on there, and you're good. So in this process, you're going to see me paint some canvases and some wood or whatever, and then I will come back in and forth on the commentary. Alright, so we're going to get started, and let's figure out what we're going to do. Alright. again. I wanted to show you this project. I have been so busy and sick of the head cold and everything, but I wanted to get some more projects done for my Christmas decor. This is a Arteza, let's see, what is it? It's 11 by 14. Then this is a wooden frame that I had. And what I want to do is I'm going to take this, paint it the color I want. And then I got this at Joann's, which is a Christmas tree or a tree. And what I like about it, I know it doesn't fit in the frame, but it gives it that dimensional look. And I'm going to paint this, put that in there, and then put a saying in there. And I thought that would be really cute to do. So, the inspiration for this one, where did you go? No, not there. Right here. That's my inspiration right here. Let's see if I can hit it. Right here. Okay, so this one is at Etsy for $112. I'm good. Beautiful, but I don't have that kind of money. And it's by the Peddler's Shed. Peddlers Shed. The Peddler's Shed. So, there you go. It's on Etsy. But this is my inspiration because I saw that and I was like, you know what? I can do something like that with the stuff that I have. So, I'm painting it this color. It's called Oatmeal in the background. I wanted to kind of do a more, I might add some green to it. Maybe a little bit of green to kind of give it a green, sagey look on the background. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to paint the tree and I'm going to gesso it. And then I'll decide what I want to do with the tree. But I just wanted to share this. So I'm going to paint this and I'll be right back.